the spirit of nation is vibrantly alive and thriving. In the last year, from the big anti-terror wins of Operation Sindoor to new milestones in the depths of space. From engineering marvels to cricketing glory, it's been an upward trajectory. Take a look at some of the big moments shaping this Independence Day.
April 22nd, 2025. Carnage and mayhem. Terrorists target tourists in Jammu and Kashmir. A bloody nightmare at Pahalgam's idyllic Baisaran meadow. 26 civilians killed, 4 terrorists on a killing spree. Holidayers, newlyweds, armed forces personnel off duty among the massacred. Kashmir hasn't seen a terrorist attack like this one in decades. Vicious, savage murder.
Indian Armed Forces targeted air defense radars and systems at a number of locations in Pakistan. Indian response has been in the same domain with the same intensity as Pakistan.
Exactly 15 days later, Operation Sindoor rattled Pakistan like seldom before. Missile strikes at 9 terror sites in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and inside Pakistan's borders sent out a strong message from India. Some of Pakistan's biggest terror hubs were destroyed.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में हुए विभत्स आतंकवादी हमले के शिकार मासूम नागरिकों व उनके परिवारों को न्याय देने के लिए लॉन्च किया गया था। इस कार्रवाई में 9 टेररिस्ट कैंप्स को टारगेट किया गया और पूरी तरह से इसे बर्बाद किया गया।
Pakistan looked to strike back. It unleashed drone and missile fire after India's Operation Sindoor ripped into terror camps on its soil and paid the price for it. Bruised and battered by Indian military forces, Pakistan was forced to cry peace. New normals were laid out. The cost of terror has been increased. An act of terror will be an act of war.
सिंदूर से लेकर के सिंधु तक पाकिस्तान पर कार्रवाई की है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने तय कर दिया कि भारत में आतंकी हमले की उसके आकाओं को और पाकिस्तान को भारी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी। अगर भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ तो हम अपने तरीके से, अपनी शर्तों पर, अपने समय पर जवाब दे करके रहेंगे।
From security to engineering brilliance, the Chenab Bridge has been inaugurated. Soaring 359 meters above the river, it is now the world's highest railway bridge. Built in one of the toughest terrains on earth, it connects Kashmir to the rest of India in a way that was once unimaginable.
4, 3, 2, 1, ignition, and
Up above, India's Sudhanshu Shukla made a mark on India's space mission horizon. Shukla's stint at the International Space Station marked a giant leap for India's human spaceflight program, a proud moment for India's space ambitions.
6, 5, 4, 3.
India is actively engaged in several space missions, including the Gaganyaan human spaceflight program, the Nisar Earth observation mission with NASA, and other satellite launches.
मेरे कंधे पे मेरे साथ मेरा तिरंगा है जो मुझे बता रहा है कि नहीं हूँ, मैं आप सबके साथ हूँ। ये मेरी इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन तक की जर्नी की शुरुआत नहीं है, ये भारत के ह्यूमन स्पेस प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत है।
India at 79 is confident, resilient, and ready for the future.